pair number 975 pair of Halara overalls. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Misty Show. Today's video is another Halara video. Let me just tell you, if I could have no other clothes in my closet other than clothing from Halara, I'd be a happy girl because I wear their stuff all of the time. So I have some more options that Halara has sent to me. I did go in and pick these out, but Halara did gift me these items to open up for you today. Everything will be linked down in the description. And if you order from Halara using my link, you will save 15% off of your order. Everything comes in these nice bags. I did take most of them out. I left this one thing in here just to show you how they come. I'm gonna show you what I ordered, what I got, and then we're gonna go over to the mirror and we're gonna try them on. This is something that I have it in black and I love it. It is kind of a halfy shirt, but I love the overalls and I love the linen pants that I get from Halara. And these shirts fit perfectly. This one is a size extra large. It has a band around kind of the midriff part, so it really keeps it down and keeps it from rising up. And I like the capped sleeves, so I wanted to try this in white as well. And we've got our Halara branding there on the side. And actually, this shirt is gonna go with a lot of the other things that I have in today's video. These I saw, I don't know what they're gonna look like on me because I'm short, I'm 5'3", so I have big ideas of how I think things, how I want them to look on me, but it sometimes isn't. Sometimes it doesn't happen, but Halara has surprised me in the past. They are flouncy pouncy pants. They're big old flouncy pouncy pants with that big old like bell bottom thing on it. We're gonna see. The thing that I do like about these is they've got, I think that's the, yeah, it's got this elastic on the side, which really makes you feel like you got at least the sides of your body together. That doesn't make any sense, Misty, but we have this big tie. Actually, that'll look cute with this. So I have high hopes. We got high hopes for that one. These are jeans, but they're stretchy like leggings. I have had a couple of Halara denim pieces from Halara, and I absolutely love them. I didn't tell you the size of these black pants. The black pants are another extra large. These are also extra large. I'm listening to you guys. A lot of you in the comments will be like, Misty, you need to go down a size. But that makes me very nervous. I have lost some weight, but it still makes you nervous to go down a size, because then if I get these clothes and I gotta try them on for you, what if none of them fit? You know? That's where my mind goes. But anyway, these are stretchy. I don't want to say flouncy pouncy, but these aren't flouncy pouncy. These are a wide cuffed, a wide leg denim. And the cuff is sewn, so you don't have to worry about them flopping down. I like that. It's sewn on both sides. So this is just a nice wide leg. That's going to be fun with sandals. It's going to be fun with tennis shoes too. And they're so stretchy. Honestly, I might have been able to go down a size in those. Those are famous last words. You know, I say that and I'll put them on and they won't fit. That's what'll happen probably. All right, this is another pair of the overalls, which I absolutely love. I have them in almost every color now. This is a gray, which I thought for fall coming would be good, a transition color. This one I got has the elastic around the legs. I do have the wide leg ones, and I have them in shorts as well, and I love all of them. They've got this nice waffle knit, which I just love these so much. I wear them all the time, and every time I wear them, I always get so many compliments. So many. I also get compliments when I wear my linen pants. These are a nice sage green. They are also a size extra large. I have these in almost every color as well, but I didn't have them in this sage green, which I love. They're all elastic, and they're pleated, which I think are very, very flattering, and they have pockets. Not only do they have pockets, they got pockets that zip. So you could put your worthy things in your pockets and they won't fall out. Love. And these can be casual. They can be a little dressy. They can be all the things. All right, this is a romper. We're in our romper era for the summer and probably in the fall as well. This is also a size extra large in a a sage green. This is an elastic, so it just goes up there. Now, I probably will wear this with a denim jacket, or I actually have a little denim thing that I can put on with it. But the material is so flowy and it feels so good. Now, I have not tried this on, but I have other items of clothing from Halara in that same material, and I love them. And then the last item is another romper. This one's a little dressier. It is sleeveless as well, but the nice thing about something that's sleeveless is that you can transition it into fall and to winter with wearing a jacket or something like that over it. But we've got these nice buttons in the back, so a high neck, no sleeves, and it's just this beautiful jewel toned blue color, and it's that great material too. I think this is also a size extra large. I'm always worried about the length, because I'm short. Yeah, this is also a size extra large, but you wear a little bit of a wedge of a shoe and it'll be good. It'll be good. All right, so we're gonna go over to the mirror and we're gonna try these on one by one, and then we'll come over and we will have a final discussion on what I thought about all of these items. Okay, I really like this one. First of all, I love the color. I don't have anything in this color, so I really like it. And honestly, it is a little bit long, but I probably would wear this with some kind of a shoe with a little bit of a heel. The only thing that I don't like is that you're gonna have to really watch your bra strap when you wear this, either with a strapless bra or a bra that won't show the straps in the back. It has pockets and it has this nice elastic band around the waist, which I think looks nice. You could put a nice belt with this, which I think would look good, but I love this. I think that this is absolutely fantastic. I have a little vest. Let me put the vest on with it. See, I don't know that I like it with this vest, but you could wear something else with it if you didn't want, if you wanted to cover up that and you didn't want to change your whole bra strap situation. But I love this. I think that it's gorgeous and I love the color. Wow. I didn't think I would like this one as much as I do, but I really do. Looks like I'm naked. I'm not naked. I got clothes on, see. But it does kind of look like that. So I did have to pull my bra strap down because this is, it's a halter romper. So this one is a little smaller than the other one. So this is an extra large. I listened to you guys, but I mean, it still fits just fine. It's just, I don't have great undergarments on with it right now. But I definitely will wear this again. I think I like it more with something because I'm just not confident in wearing a halter. That way you can pull your bra straps back on. See, this is more me. But I do like it. And I like how it has this kind of ruching. We've got a nice tie there. We have pockets. It isn't terribly long in the length. I love the color of it, but it does run, I would say, maybe even a tinge on the small side. But I do like it. I definitely will wear it again, just with some different things on underneath it. You know what I mean? But I do like it a lot. All right. On to, I think we're gonna do the linen pants next. I'm having a moment because this is like one of the very first times that I'm like noticing myself, like a little bit of my weight loss, because I didn't think that I was gonna be able to fit into these extra large pants. I thought for sure I was always gonna be stuck in a 2X. But these are extra larges and they actually fit me much better than the bigger ones that I know I always end up ordering. So I wanted to show you what I mean about this shirt. So this is the white shirt that I tried on in the very beginning. Well, that I showed you in the very, very beginning of the video. I have this at home in black as well. It's a little halfy shirt. There's my belly right there. We can show just a little tinge of our belly, and it's okay. You know what? It's okay if you want to do that. It's okay. Now, I love it because we've got a little bit of control in that band right there to where it doesn't really ride up a lot. So you feel like you're showing your belly, but you're meaning to, not because your shirt's too short. And do you know what I mean? But these are the pants with the shirt. I love these pants. I cannot tell you how I love these pants. When I tell you that I wear them all the time, I really do. And I never thought that I would be the type of person that would just be casually wearing a pair of linen pants. But here I am, and I love them. Like I said, I have them in almost every color. These are nice because they've got this nice wide elastic band. These particular ones don't have belt loops. I do have some that do have belt loops, so you can wear a nice belt with it, but these don't. We've got the two little pockets in the back. They fit perfect for me in the length. I'm 5'3", so I am short. So if you are a taller person, these are gonna run a little bit shorter on you. But maybe that's kind of a cute look too. But I love it. I love these. I absolutely love them, and I love them with these shirts. It's just a great combination, in my opinion. So I really do like these a lot. Stamp of approval. Pair number 975, pair of Halara overalls. I love these. I absolutely love them. There's something about the cut of them that just fit you in all the right places. I've had imitations. There's no comparison to these. They are so good. They're so good. And let me tell you, you all have messaged me and said,
Misty, you're right about them darn overalls. They're the greatest.
They are. They are. And this color, while I don't think that a lot of people will be like, ooh, that's great, but look at how cute it looks with this white. It's cute. They've got pockets in the front and one in the back if you wanted, that one in the back. But I love them. These are nice. The ones with the elastic around the legs are nice for us short girls because they're not dragging the ground. The ones without the elastic, I like the look of those too, but these are nice because they're not dragging the ground. I absolutely love them. I just can't, there isn't anything more for me to say other than they're great. They do run very true to size, I will say. These are an extra large. I have them in extra large and in a 1X. There is a slight difference in size, not too much. So if you are on the website and you see, oh, they only have so many available in a 1X, you're pretty safe to be able to go into the extra large where there's more color choices. That's my little hint, because I've done that myself. I'm like, oh, they
only have so many colors. I want those colors.
Well, they got more in an extra large. All right, I'm gonna try on the jeans, which I'm so totally excited about. I really hope that they're gonna work for me, because I said that they were gonna be too big. We'll see. Oh, and as I was taking these off, I wanted to remind you that you can adjust them. See, there's 3 different buttonholes. I'm short, so mine goes on the very, very top, but if you're a little bit taller or you want them to be a little bit more baggier, then you can adjust the buttons. All right, the jeans are on, and I will say they are very stretchy. So these do fit me perfectly. So I would totally say that they're very true to size. Maybe even going a little bit to where you might want to size down because they are stretchy, and after you wear them a while, they get more stretched out. I don't know what I'm feeling about the cuff on the bottom. I think if I were a little bit taller, I would like them a little bit more, but I don't know. You're gonna have to let me know what you think, but they do fit great. They do have a button and a zipper, so they're not just, a pull-on type of pant. We've got pockets in the back, pockets on the side. They are very, very stretchy. They've got belt loops. I think that they would be cute with a belt, especially with a short shirt like this. But I'm not sure if I do like them. But I think if they fit me a little bit shorter, I think that I would be like really excited about them. But they're just they're a little too long for what I want them for. You know what I mean? I'll show you. I'll hold them up See, I'm holding them up right there. That's where I think that they're going to fit me better. Like if they fit me on there. I like them otherwise, and I probably will still wear them, but I just wish they were a little bit shorter. Okay, well, they're a little long, which I was expecting. They're a little tight in the midriff. They are. So they do run a little bit small, but they're cute. I think that these are just sassy and fun. They're just sassy and fun. I like that they're high-waisted. So they're a nice high waist, and we've got this elastic on both sides, which is nice. I like it with this shirt too. They're just a little tight in, I guess, the crotch area. And that might be because I'm pulling them up so tall. But that helps a little bit if I pull them down a little bit. I just have them hiked up really high. They're cute. I think for just a night out, I think that they're really cute. If you want to go dancing, you want to go disco dancing, you could wear these. But I think that they're cute. It's weird because you have to kind of figure out the best way to do this here wrap, because the wrap is supposed to kind of hide the elastic, but it also doesn't. So you have to kind of play around with that. But I think that they're cute. I don't see me wearing them often like the other things, but for a variation, they're nice and sassy. All right, let's go over to the mirror and we'll discuss all of these items. Well, Halara, you done did it again. I'm happy with everything. Everything fit wonderfully. I did decide to size down, so I'm listening to you. But it's just a little bit, it can be a little odd because I'm worried they're not going to fit me, and then what am I going to do?
Well, sorry, I can't make a video because none of them fit me.
So it's just kind of one of those like a mental thing. But Halara knocked it out of the park. I'm always so excited when I see my Halara items arrive to my door. They are just fantastic. So give them a try. Use the link in my description to save 15% off of your order. I'm telling you what, it's just a lot of fun. Very comfortable clothing, very nicely made. They all wash up wonderfully. Those linen pants, you don't have to press them. They come out of the dryer because they're already a little wrinkly. They're supposed to look like that. I'm telling you, they are fantastic. So let me know in the comments, have you ordered things from Halara and have you absolutely loved them? I love them. So thank you again to Halara for sending me these items to open up and try on for you today. Also, thank you to Halara for providing me with the 15% off code. That's in the description. Go check them out. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure that you're subscribed if you are not. I'm trying really hard to get to 20,000 subscribers. We're at 19,000 and some change. So make sure that you're subscribed if you are not subscribed and help me reach that milestone. Thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you in the next one.